Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Instant Pot Dual error code C7. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the C7 error code primarily affects the Instant Pot Evo series, pointing to potential issues related to its heating mechanism, liquid requirements, or the position of the quick release switch. Users encountering this error should initially ensure that the vent release valve is closed securely. This simple check ensures proper pressure buildup and necessary for cooking. Furthermore, it's crucial to confirm that the cooking pot contains minimum amounts of liquid specified in the Instant Pot guidelines. Inadequate liquid levels can prevent the pot from reaching the desired pressure, triggering the C7 error. If after those checks the C7 error persists, it suggests a more complex malfunction that necessitates professional assistance. Try contacting Instant Pot's customer support is actually pretty recommended here. So at this stage, their knowledge staff can provide detailed troubleshooting steps or arrange for repairs if necessary, ensuring your Instant Pot operates smoothly. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.